Alright guys, today we're going to put these bags on this Dyna. Now they do come with brackets. If you do want to mount them first, it is a little bit easier. They come with two. You really only need at least one to keep this bag strapped down instead of flopping around if they're empty. But it is easier to go ahead, take that bolt out, slide it up in between the fender strut and the fender, put your bolt back in before you put the bags on. Alright, so first and foremost, you do need a 2-up seat. So we're going to take off our seat. If you have a solo seat, you're not going to be able to mount these bags. Alright, with the seat off, we'll put our bags on here, and they are Velcro adjustable. So what you need to do is just go back and forth with it and kind of find out where they need to go so they can sit relatively flat and straight up according to the back of the bike. So you want to get these kind of level here as best you can, and you just need to adjust the strap accordingly to get these bags to sit pretty level. After you get that sitting pretty good, all you got to do is put your seat back on, and they're pretty much installed. Alright, these bags are quick detach. It's pretty easy. You just come over here, unbutton the button that keeps the zipper from flopping around, unzip it, and then there's just a Velcro backing to hold it on in case anything happens. But the saddlebag comes right off, and it also goes right back on the same way. Alright, if you do want to use the security strap, you have a Velcro strap on the bottom of the bag right here, and you just feed it in. And then once you get it fed in, you just pull it down, pull it kind of tight. There you go. And that's going to keep the bag from flopping up on you going down the highway. All right, and lastly, while these bags are pretty water resistant, we do include rain covers. I usually keep mine on the outside pocket. You can keep them wherever you want, but these throw on pretty easy, and they are cut out for the back, so you can still zip them on and off and cover the bag pretty easily. But yeah, those bags are super easy to install. Comment down below if you have any questions. There will be a link for them. Appreciate you.